small demo of how to control the URC rotor controller from a web browser. On the screen you see this here is a VNC client. So what you see here is exactly what the URC rotor controller has on its display. You can maneuver and you can activate and do everything you can do on the display on the touch screen. To the left here, there is the main page of the rotor controller. This is the same as you see here, but shown in a web browser. You can control different things here, and most of it is pretty, self-explaining. We could try and position, let the rotor go to azimuth 172, and you see everything here is updating as expected. I won't say much more about this. There will be some other videos explaining the different fields and what you can do with it and so on. But up here you have an icon. If you click that, you come into a settings page, and this is more or less the same as you have if you go to the device and go into the setup menu. It's actually, the web browser sees more than just what's on the setup. You also see what's in the limit and in the manual, where you set the speeds and preset positions. All of that is also set from this single web page. Just to show you a few of the things, one thing you can't set on the unit itself is the symbolic name. This is not used for anything but cosmetics. So if you have more than one rotor controller, you will have in the title bar you will have this name that is here. But other than that, everything else in here can also be changed on the controller. And just as an example, if we go and set the LCD brightness, you can pick a higher value, 50%. You can see over here the slider. If I now go down and save the settings, you can watch the slider here, and you will get instant updates on the device itself. And that goes for anything. If I enable the screensaver, you can see it goes up here, and the same if I go here and disable the screensaver, and I go here. You see the screensaver is 1 minute, and I reload the page, it's now off. So that goes pretty much for everything. If we change here, you can see the latitude, my latitude also changes. And yeah, the only thing you can't change on the web page is the network settings. It makes not much sense to be able to set that from the web browser, because if the web browser is working and you talk with the unit, there's probably no need to change the network settings. So network settings is only done on the unit itself. But other than that, remote protocol, for example, here you can set, if we go over here and reload, you see it's now Yaesu. We go back and set the native, and you see it goes back. So everything here, the same with limits. You can change, set the hard and soft limits, dead bands, resolution of encoders, and speeds, and max current, and whatnot. So everything can be set from the web page here. That's pretty much it. for more information, you can look on www.moonbounce.dk and go in and find the URC rotor controller. Thanks for now.